Review of version 472. I will not delay to introduce you to Emma,
Hello.
Lily,
Hi.
and David.
Hi guys.
They are the new characters. They all have the 9 standard expressions. It's amazing. They work well together. Wow. Even these props work well. Look. Oh, it's all right. When working with comics, the share button and preview button are working. Oh, but premium members continue to complain about the watermark. Premium is logo free. However, there is not even an option to remove the watermark. Besides the big watermark, some stickers are not working well with the speech bubbles. Hello. Hi, Ryan. Now you can see that Ryan walking backwards got corrected. He can even walk in sitting position and remain seated as you change his expression. Although he will be standing up when you are producing the video. Bye guys! During the production of this video, while working with Ryan, often the next frame is not available. And that's it. Thank you for watching.